How can kitting help you? Instead of receiving multiple pallets of product, warehousing all of the product, and then having to construct and assemble everything, it's done for you. Here's an example of the time, space, and money you can save by having Streamlined kit your product for you. See all the warehouse floor space you need to pull all of your needed components? You also need someone to stitch trays, put up boxes, and pull the appropriate pieces of foam. The 3 crates being assembled in this video each have 11 components. This entire process of pulling all of the appropriate products, stitching trays, taping boxes, adding foam, and inserting product into 3 crates would take your warehouse worker about 2 hours. But with Streamlined, all this will be done in advance for you. When the crate's ready to hit your dock, it can go right to the assembly area, be packed with your product, and then out to the shipping dock. Save time and money with kitting. Visit m-line.com to learn more.